In this video, we are going to be looking at the place value of decimals. In the last video, we looked at place value of whole numbers, and I hope you can still remember. As a form of refresher, let's look for the place value of 807456. I hope you can still remember this. So we start with units, then we've got tens, then we've got hundreds, then we've got thousands, then we have tens of thousands, and then we've got hundreds of thousands. I hope you can still remember. So this is how we get the place value of whole numbers. Now, like I said earlier, in this video we are going to be looking at place value of decimals. Now let me teach you how to go about this. Now look, let's say I was given 10245 and I was told to find the place value of 10245. Remember, units, tens, then we have hundreds, we have thousands, and then we have tens of thousands. Tens of thousands. All right. Now, can we turn this into decimals so that I can teach you how to find the place value of decimals? So let's say we have 0.9421. 9421. Now look at what I'm going to do now. Now immediately after the decimal point, we begin to have this. So let's draw it. The first number after the decimal point, we start with tenths. Not units, tenths, and with th, tenths. Then we have hundreds, then we have thousands, then we have tens of thousands. Do you understand? So don't forget, the first digits after the decimal ends in th. Th, all of them ends in th. So we have th, 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 th. Do you understand? The first is tenths, not units. Not units, but tenths. Then followed by hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions. Can you see? So like that. All you need to notice is that the first digit is tenths, then you follow the remaining the way we've been doing it, but you end it with ch. Does this make sense? Now let's take examples. Now look, we've got this question. What is the place value of 4 in 7.047? Now let's try to do this. So we have 7. So we have 7.047. If you want to do the place value for everything, we can also do that. So before the point, we will do it normally. This would be units. Then after the point, we take it up. Can you see? Then remember, the digit after the point will be tenths. Then we have hundreds. Then we have thousands. Do you understand? So what's the place value of 4? The place value of 4 would either be hundredths, or probably you can see 400ths, or 4 over 100. Do you understand? So you can either see this or this or this. Either of them is correct. Do you understand? So hundredths, or you can have 400ths or 4 over 100. Do you understand? Let's take another example. So we have this question: what is the place value of 9 in 2374.0009? Now this is also simple. All you need to do is to follow all that I've taught you. So remember, we have 2374.0009. Before the decimal point, we do it normally, the way we usually do it, and it comes down. So we start units, we have tens, we have hundreds. You can see everything is ending with S, and then we have thousands. Then after the decimal point, we move up. So we move up after the decimal point, and the first will be what? Tenths with TH. Then we have what? Hundredths. Then we have what? Thousands. Then we have what? Tens of thousands, or 10,000s, as the case may be. Do you understand? So now we are looking for the place value of 9. So what's the place value of 9? We have tens of thousands. Do you understand? So the place value of 9 can be either tens of thousands. If it's an objective question, you can also see 9 tens of thousands. So we have this question: what is the value of digit 7 in 14.03075? Now let's do this. We have 14.03075. Remember, before the decimal point, we do it normally. So we'll be having units with S, and then we'll be having tens. Can you see? Now after the decimal point, we go up. So we go up, and then we are starting with what? 10 with CH. Does this make sense? Then we have hundreds. Then we have thousands. Then we have tens of thousands. Then we have hundreds of thousands. Do you understand? So before the decimal point come down, it ends with S. After the decimal point go up, it ends with CH, and we start from 10. Do you understand? So what's the value of the digit 7? 7 gives us what? Tens of thousands. So we'll be having tens of thousands, or 7 tens of thousands, or 7 over 10,000. Now how do I know the number of zeros to put? You turn everything to 0. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So there will be 7 over 10,000. Do you understand? Let's take another example. Now we have, what's the value of digit 2 in 2047.15? Now remember, you write it before the decimal point, you come down. So we're having this units, tens, hundreds, and then we have thousands. After the decimal points, we go up. So we go up and we start with what? Tenths. And then we have hundreds. So we are asked, what's the value of digit 2? What's the value of digit 2? We have thousands. So I just did this example so you won't be confused with what we've done in the last video. So we have thousands, or we can have 2,000, or we can have 2. Remember, we turn every other thing to 0, so we have 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Do you understand? So this is our answer. One more example. Now let's solve this. What's the place value of 3 in the number 42.753? So we have 42.753. Remember, before the decimal point, you come down. So we have units, and then we have tens. After the decimal point, we go up. So we have, the first is tenths, then we have hundreds, and then we have thousands. So we are told, what's the place value of 3? 3 is what? Thousands. So we write answer is thousands, or 3,000, or 3 over 1,000. I hope you know what we did. We turned them to zeros. Do you understand? So we have 1, 2, 3. 3 over 1,000. Does this make sense? Alright.